Hey friends, welcome to this week's vlog. It's Monday. It's 5:30 p.m. and I'm actually sitting here editing the last vlog that I put up, whenever that may be. It's currently Monday, February 13th, and yes. So I am sitting here watching the third season of You because I missed it. I just wasn't in the mood. I don't know what I was doing last year. Like, girl was going through the motions. But I'm sitting here. I have that playing while I'm working on this vlog. Your girl is feeling good. Your girl is feeling really good. Yesterday, oh my God, let me tell you all about yesterday. Hold on. Yesterday was the best day I've had in a really long time. It was the first time that, like, I don't think my phone went off. I think my mama called me once and Jasmine sent me a funny text message, but my phone was on Do Not Disturb all day. And it was just so necessary. Even though I was a little tired when I got off work and I struggled through work, I was like, I'm gonna work on this video. Like, now I know exactly how much time it's gonna take for me to like really edit and like do what I need to do. So like, I really am just trying to manage my time better. I'm just trying to manage anything better because I haven't been managing. I have just been letting things happen. So I'm really excited about that. However, I'm not gonna cook dinner tonight. I'm gonna try Fresh Chef Kitchen again. I wasn't blown away by the first meal that I got. Oh, y'all, I didn't upload that. So Fresh Chef Kitchen is this restaurant that my cousin Unique had posted on her Instagram like months ago, and so I just kind of made a mental note that I wanted to try it. So I tried like Cajun chicken pasta with blackened chicken, and it was alright. It didn't really have like a lot of flavor to it. So tonight I'm gonna try chicken parmesan because I deserve all the things, but I kind of have a schedule for this week, and we're not going to overschedule. We are going to schedule appropriately, and I am excited. If my friends can just hold on and let me get through February with this schedule, I swear I am going to be out of my cocoon and a social butterfly come March. You know, like weather permitting. So, I just really wanted to start on this week's vlog. In a few days we're actually gonna put like my desk and stuff together. I'm really excited about that, and I really need to go to my aunt's house and get the office chair that she's going to give me. But yeah, like, I'm so happy. I'm so excited about life, and I'm just so glad that I had yesterday to myself. So yeah, we'll pick this back up when I go pick my food up in a little bit. So immediately knows, like, this is just not for me. I'm just gonna have to go back to this place when I want like a nice healthy salad, like some salmon and some kale. Like the kale salad that I got last time was really good, but like this is what my chicken parmesan is looking like, and it's very much like light skin. And I understand it's fresh, like really, really great freshness, but I don't know. I'm looking for a chicken parmesan that's going to give me Italia. And I haven't found that in the 10 months that I've been here. So I'm going to Durham in a couple weeks, and I'm going to do just like I did last time. I'm going to make a whole day out of it, and I'm going to treat myself to a good Italian meal. Counting down the days. But this, I got to doctor up. I got some pasta sauce I'm about to put on here. And put this in the microwave. Can I put this plastic in the microwave? I'm sure I can. Yeah, I'm about to. Alrighty, so it's Tuesday. Ooh, terrible lighting. It's Tuesday, February 14th. Why y'all didn't remind me yesterday that today was Valentine's Day? Like, that's how single your girl is, that like it didn't even register that it was Valentine's Day today. So I'm off work. I need to edit this vlog finish editing it so it can go up. My bestie ended up coming to see me yesterday. So, I got a little distracted, and I need to wash my hair because I look like this. Y'all, this looks so terrible because I look like this, right? But I think it's this energy drink. The energy drink is giving me a lot of energy. And I think I'm going to attempt to put my standing desk together and my drawers. So we're going to work on this desk situation tonight. And I'll wash my hair tomorrow. Even though it feels like a match. I just wanted to come on here and say that. And I'm gonna clean this little area up, and we're gonna put this desk together. I also need to go to Target, and I need to go in Target because I want some more of those Biscoff ice creams, and they're 2 for $8 in the store, and they're not 2 for $8 when I order them on the app for like a drive-up order. So I need to physically go in. Ain't that crazy? See, little things like that. It's gonna save me 40 cents by going in the store. And because of inflation, I need every dime I can get. So let me stop rambling and let me sit down and finish this video so it can be up by 7 o'clock and I can get all that done. Why didn't I just sit down to begin with? Oh my goodness. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. Y'all, I am just now leaving Pilates, right? And I haven't been to Pilates in like 2, maybe 3 weeks. It's been a while. And your girl is like out of shape. I've been eating too many of those Biscoff ice creams. I haven't been to Pilates since I've been eating one of those every day. And y'all know I got the white chocolate now. So, y'all, I was almost sick in that class. And so now I'm on my way to get a chicken quesadilla. Like, I'm on my way to the Mexican restaurant. Like, I'm just living so foul. I'm never gonna be living right. But yeah, I just had to let y'all know that Pilates about to get girl out today. So, and I'm gonna go to my mama's because I got a package at her house. So, might as well pick that up. It's a small package. It ain't nothing important. But it's finally Thursday. Not that I'm trying to rush the week because I don't really have anything to do and I haven't been doing anything. Oh, there's the police. I'm ready for next week because I'm dyeing my hair. I have to figure out like what color blonde I want to go. So we need to figure that out ASAP. All right, y'all. Let me go get this food. I'll see y'all tomorrow probably. Hi guys, it's Friday morning. It's like around 11:30 and I have gotten off work for the day. I'm probably gonna work some overtime later on, but it is time for me to redo my desk area. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like right now. Don't judge me. This is my real life. This is my work setup, and we're gonna do like a little before and after. I'm really excited. Let me turn this camera around so I can show y'all, and then I'm gonna tell you like what I'm gonna do, kind of. Okay, y'all, this is supposed to be a safe place, so don't judge me. So like you see, I just have so much random stuff. I've got like my monitors, I have snacks, I've got hair stuff, I have my breakfast from this morning, I have so many like candles, odds and ends, notebooks. I even got like, look at that, topicals on my desk. And then I have like a lot outdoor pillows. Like a lot of the references that I have to use for work are just kind of around me. So I really want to take this desk and put it in my little filming nook. Hold on, let's go over there real quick. Like I said, this is a safe place. Don't judge me. So this is what my little filming area looks like right now. Not too much. I feel like I can kind of take that glass desk and put it in my filming area and have like a nice setup for that to like record and set up my MacBook and edit, because right now I just kind of sit at my bar in my kitchen and edit. And if I keep that L-shaped desk, like I can have a space to like edit. So I'm really excited. Yeah, like I said, it's like 11:30. I'm gonna have to take a lunch break, but let's get her done. Y'all remember that? All right, let's get started. Hopefully, I can put this desk together by myself. Where is my drill? My drill might need to be charged. All right, I'm gonna set y'all up and get my life together. So I decided that because it was payday, I was gonna treat myself to a little lunch. Well, I leave my apartment and I'm like, oh, traffic is a little heavy. Now, what I wanted for lunch, I had to get on the interstate for. When I tell you that the traffic was so bad that I put on Waze, and Waze showed me that there were two accidents going both directions on the interstate. And I was like, God, if you just want me to eat at home, just say that. So I'm eating pizza at home. By the way, we finished the shells. She did that. It took a little longer than I expected. Oh, I'm losing my voice, but oh, that's ugly. But yeah, she's done. Also, while I was doing this, my brother called me. So y'all know, like I do cash budgeting or whatever, and something had came out of my account last night. Today's payday, and so my account was in the negative, and I had the cash on me to go to the ATM, but it was getting dark outside, so I was like, I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna send a cash app request to my brother. And if he sends it to me before I make it to the ATM, like it was just meant to be. Y'all, he sent it. He ain't even asked no questions, nothing. He just sent me the money. It was like $20. So today, while I was putting these drawers together, he texted me. He was like, "Are you okay?" And I was like, "Yeah, I'm great. Like, you saved me a trip to the ATM last night." And so he calls me today and he was like, "Yo, you don't ever ask me for anything. Like, I had to make sure you were good, like, for real." And I was like, "Oh, is this what it's like having, like, an older sibling? I should have done this my whole entire life." But, I just thought that was really funny and I wanted to share that with you guys. So I'm gonna heat me up a Red Baron pizza and I am going to start on this desk. I feel like this desk may be the death of me. Also, really quick, y'all, because of Jasmine, I don't know if I showed y'all the other day, but I did pick up the white chocolate along with the regular chocolate. The white chocolate is a bit rich, okay? And your girl's stomach was like, oh, but I'm still gonna eat them. They busting, but yeah, I just have to eat them and sit at home. But okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open this box and get this started while my oven heats up and continue to be productive today. I cannot believe I came on here looking like this. And also, I do want y'all to know that it is the same day. Like, it's still Friday. I know I've changed shirts like 3 times, but I put that sweatshirt on because I thought I was going out to like eat in public. And I switched into a t-shirt because I just was hot trying to put all this stuff together. So it's Friday. It's probably, hey Google, what time is it?
It's 5:50 p.m.
It's 5:50 p.m. We are all done, and I do have some risers that are on the way from Amazon that I'm going to put my monitors on, and my auntie actually has a desk chair that I just need to get from her house. Um, but yeah, I did it. Oh, y'all know, like, look at this. Oh, she did it. She did it all by herself. So yes, she has a standing desk now. So I probably need to get a little mat to stand on. But y'all, this is just the beginning. You know, I do want to get new living room furniture, but I'm just gonna like wait that out. I've had this furniture for 15 years. Like seriously, I was 21, first apartment, had this furniture that long. So I definitely want something smaller because it's oversized, and it has just been so good to me, but it has just been through the ringer, and it just takes up a lot of space, and apartments just aren't the size that they used to be, 2006. Um so I am going to end this vlog here. I'm probably about to like start some laundry. I'm gonna wash my hair. I can't look like this. And like household chores that I just don't feel like recording. If anything exciting happens, we'll just start that vlog then. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.